Ashi. Bobo, show me.
We are stalking Daddy. Oh my gosh, it's bloody. It's very bloody.
I think intentionally now he is not snoring. You heard it, Ashi? He was snoring it so badly. Now he's not snoring. I think he heard. Ashi, I think he is doing it intentionally now. Right?
Which means he's awake.
I think he's awake.